Once upon a time, there was a giraffe and a bird. "Hello," said the giraffe. "Hello," said the bird. "Do you want to play hide and seek?" said the giraffe. "Yes," said the bird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's time to look for the bird. Where is it? Here, behind the curtains. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Are you the bird? No, we are not. We are the ladybirds. Yes. Where is the bird? Oh, wow. Ee-ee-ah-ah, ee-ee-ah-ah. Oh, are you the bird? No, we are not. We are the monkeys. Wow. The spiders. Are you the bird? No, we are not. We are the spiders. Wow, are you the bird? No, no, we are snakes. Wow. Are you the bird? No, I'm not. I am the lion. Where is the bird? Where is the bird? Pew 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 pew. Tick tick. Hello. I am the bird. It's me. Over your head. Oh wow! I found you.